Hello friends, and welcome to today's project of making Brigadeiros. The ingredient list is in the description. These Brazilian-style chocolate truffles are simple to make, doesn't require much ingredients, and are downright addictive once you try them. I had to stop myself from eating these smooth, rich treats. Don't be fooled with the illusion of them being bite-sized. They are packed with flavor and depth. Let's begin. The most important thing is the condensed milk. You will need 2 cans of about 800 grams of it. Place that in a medium bowl. Next, let's talk about the chocolate. This is Van Houten. Here it will be in the form of cocoa powder, specifically the Dutch kind from Holland. Dutch cocoa powder is the process of processing the cocoa beans with alkaline. This makes it less bitter, so you can really taste the chocolate notes. You will need 50 grams of cocoa powder. The trick here is to sieve the cocoa powder over the condensed milk. This will help in preventing lumps. Give that a mix with your whisk. It should look pretty smooth. Set that to one side for now. Next, take a medium-sized pot and place in 50 grams of butter. Take that over to the stove and melt the butter over medium to high heat. Once the butter has melted, pour the condensed milk chocolate mixture in. Take it back to the stove and we're going to cook it out now. I would recommend using a wooden spoon for this. We want the mixture to boil slowly for about 5 to 8 minutes. You will know it's ready when you're able to scrape the bottom of the pot and the mixture doesn't stick to it. Once this happens, take it off from the heat. Now, just as a precaution, I would advise in sieving it just in case during the cooking process some lumps formed at the bottom. This will really ensure a smooth end product. Pass the mixture through the sieve. It will take some time, but it is worth it. Pour that onto a plate. Place some cling film over it. This will prevent the skin from forming. There you go, it looks smooth already. Place it in the fridge to set, preferably overnight. The next day. Now take away the cling film to reveal the texture of the mixture. That is ready to be rolled. Get yourself ready with a small dish with some vegetable oil. You can of course use butter. The other more important ingredient is chocolate sprinkles. Since I am half Dutch, I'm going to be using another Dutch brand of chocolate sprinkles. It's called hagelslag. There are many varieties, and this is famous for being in our breakfast. But in this case, it is used for the rolling of the Brigadeiros. Of course, you can roll them in other things such as crushed nuts, crushed cornflakes, and other decorative things. This is how they look like. By the way, you don't have to use the Dutch kind. You can use other chocolate sprinkles, or also known as chocolate rice or chocolate vermicelli. These are the smaller kind. It really depends on your style. At the end of the day, they are delicious with whatever you pair them with. Here is a little presentation idea, using mini cupcake liners, just to spice things up with some color. I have a small ice cream scoop that would fit just nicely for the cupcake liners. Use an ice cream scoop to get even weight, otherwise you would have to weigh each one to make it consistent. Fill the ice cream scoop and use a palette knife to scrape any extra off. Take it out from the scoop and with some oil on your hands, roll it into a perfect ball. While the ball is still wet and shiny, drop it into the sprinkles and shake the bowl. The sprinkles will naturally stick to it. You might have to shake some extra sprinkles off to get a nice coating of one layer. Just to give you an idea on the size of this, it is about 28 to 30 grams. Just a nice size for an after-meal treat. All you have to do now is repeat the process until you finish the mixture. I decided to do white and orange cupcake liners, which is paying homage to my Dutch heritage. Let's have a taste. That is amazing. All I can say is that you are missing out. You need to make this, and if you have kids, get them involved in the rolling process. Well, there you have it, Brigadeiros with some Dutch elements. I am telling you, go and make this and you will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watched, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.